tasted this cheesecake in a place called Lavinia, and we found it very lami. So Iris looked for the ingredients and the secret, the recipe. And today she finally baked our cheesecake. So I'm going to taste the cheesecake and very objectively, forgetting that I'm her husband, I'll tell you if it does approximate or exceed the lami of the Lavinia cheesecake. OMG, it's as lami as the Lavinia cheesecake. So we're not so going back to that place. Iris could produce her own very lami cheesecake. And so how would we call it now?
It's just a burnt cheesecake. It's the Basque way of preparing a cheesecake. It's actually baked and it's actually charred. So you see that it's dark all around.
Okay.
And if you just know the ingredients of this,
Yep.
this cheesecake is the bomb. I don't care. I am going to say it again. It is the bomb. And if you knew the ingredients, it would probably give you a heart attack. So go easy, okay?
I don't mind.
Okay. Okay.
So lami.
Okay, great.
Okay.